Today I'd like to talk to you about the vital roles within a clinical research team and how effective teamwork is crucial for the success of clinical trials. Clinical trials are never the work of just one individual. Rather, they are the product of a well-organized, multidisciplinary team, where each member brings their own expertise to the table. Whether you are a clinical research coordinator, a principal investigator, a research nurse, a data manager, or a regulatory specialist, each role is indispensable to the integrity and progress of the study. Let's begin by exploring the core members of a clinical research team. The principal investigator, or PI, is the lead researcher who is ultimately responsible for the conduct of the clinical trial. The PI ensures that the study adheres to all ethical standards and regulatory requirements, while also guiding the overall research strategy. For clinical research coordinators, or CRCs, the key here is clear and concise communication. Always be prepared with updates and data summaries, and don't hesitate to suggest improvements, as long as you respect the PI's authority and expertise. Good practice is to prepare brief daily reports to keep the PI informed, which not only helps them, but also showcases your organizational skills and proactive attitude. Research nurses are the backbone of any clinical trial. They are responsible for patient care, data collection, and ensuring that participants understand the study requirements. As CRCs, it is essential to develop strong working relationships with research nurses, respond promptly to their needs, collaborate closely on patient scheduling, and recognize the critical role they play in the success of the trial. Organizing regular briefings with the research nurses to discuss patient status and resolve any issues will improve outcomes and ensure smooth trial operations. Moving on to data managers and statisticians. In today's world, where data drives every decision, their role is more critical than ever. Data managers ensure that the data is accurate, properly recorded, and securely stored, while statisticians analyze the data to identify trends and assess the treatment's efficacy. For CRCs, the key to working effectively with data managers is ensuring accurate and timely data entry. Familiarize yourself with data management systems and double-check your entries. A simple checklist for daily data verification tasks can go a long way in ensuring accuracy and demonstrating your commitment to high-quality research. Next, we have regulatory specialists, who ensure that the study complies with laws, guidelines, and ethical standards. They prepare regulatory submissions, communicate with regulatory agencies, and ensure adherence to international standards like GCP. As CRCs, it is important to stay informed about the latest regulatory updates, proactively assist with documentation, and create standardized templates to streamline regulatory processes. A well-organized regulatory file can help save time and help avoid delays in trial approval. Now that we've covered the core roles, let's talk about how to work effectively with your clinical research team. First and foremost, clear communication is key. Whether it's through regular meetings, status reports, or digital tools, keeping everyone informed will help avoid confusion and ensure that each team member understands their responsibilities. A strong collaborative atmosphere is essential. Encourage open dialogue, provide constructive feedback, and recognize the contributions of others. When we work together and we support each other, the entire team thrives. Another important point is proactivity and organization. Keeping a detailed calendar, maintaining thorough documentation, and using project management software can help you stay ahead of deadlines and reduce the likelihood of errors. Being organized also demonstrates your commitment to delivering results and maintaining the integrity of the trial. As CRCs, you also need to focus on developing skills that will help you excel in the job market. In your job applications, highlight your experience with working with PIs, research managers, data managers, and regulatory specialists. Showcase your ability to manage complex schedules and multitask efficiency. Employers value CRCs who can keep projects on track, and you can demonstrate this by providing specific examples of how you've contributed to successful trials in the past. Additionally, emphasize your communication ability. Share examples of how you've resolved conflicts or streamlined processes to enhance trial efficiency. And in today's digital world, being tech savvy is essential. Familiarize yourself with tools like EDC systems and clinical trials CTMS systems, and make sure you highlight your proficiency with these technologies in your resume. In conclusion, clinical research is all about teamwork. Every role is essential to the success of the trial, and each interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow. By mastering the art of collaboration, staying organized, and continuously improving your skills, you will not only contribute to the success of clinical trials, but also position yourself as a valuable asset in this ever-evolving field.